Do you want to stop saving your data to OneDrive and store it locally only? So follow along with me, I will show you how to do it temporarily or permanently. Of course, you can try just to uninstall OneDrive. To do this, left-click Windows logo in the taskbar, then start typing OneDrive, and once the application is found, just click uninstall and confirm your action. But most likely Windows will reinstall the app on next update, so let's try to disable the application. To disable temporarily, right-click the cloud icon in the taskbar over here and click pause syncing, and 2 hours, 8 hours and 24 hours. You have 3 options over here. To disable permanently, right-click on the taskbar, click Task Manager, or just press Shift, Ctrl and Escape key combination. It opens the Task Manager window. Now I'll go to Startup Apps. Now go to OneDrive. Click on OneDrive. Now click 3 dots over here and you can disable or enable OneDrive. Disabling and preventing the application to start up on Windows boot up. No startup, no synchronization. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.